Okay, happy Thursday and Friday. This is your last shared reading of the week. It's water cycle. We're all going to be pros because we've done it. We've watched videos. We've done experiments on it. Okay, so this is called a series of events, the water cycle. This is Thursday and Friday. You can get this done today and not have anything to do for Friday. Okay, it's just sequencing of events. So they're giving you 2 days to put sequence of events, but you won't even need them. Okay. So it says sequence, the order in which something is done. Use time order words to help you understand the order of events. Some examples include first, second, third, then, later, soon after, before, after, next, and last, finally, and eventually. Okay? The water cycle. Have you ever wondered what happens to puddles after a big rainstorm? Each bit of precipitation in our world goes through the water cycle. The water cycle is the movement of all the water on Earth. The water in, on, and above the earth is always moving and changing states. States. Solid, liquid, gas states. Not states like Ohio. Okay? It changes from liquid to vapor. It changes from vapor to ice and back again. The cycle continually repeats itself. First, the sun heats up the earth's surface and draws water into the atmosphere. This process is called evaporation. This is what makes puddles disappear. The water evaporates, changing from a liquid into a gas. Then, as the water vapor rises into the sky, it cools down. It turns back into a liquid when it is in the clouds. This part of the water cycle is called condensation. After the clouds become heavy, precipitation falls. It falls as rain, snow, hail, or sleet. Sometimes precipitation can fall in heavy amounts. This can cause flooding and problems for people and animals on Earth. Mountainous areas, places that typically have snow, experience melting when the temperatures rise. The snow melt runs down toward sea level. As the runoff reaches lower elevations, it can end up in lakes and rivers, eventually leading to the ocean. This part of the process is called collection. Water is collected in different places on the earth. It can be absorbed back into trees and plants. It can return to lakes, rivers, and the ocean. The water can freeze into snow, ice, or glaciers, depending on the climate. The water cycle is a system in nature that is constantly moving. The steps always occur in the same order, and the cycle always repeats itself. Okay? There's first, next, after that, then, finally. Okay? There is a first. Okay, there's first. Then there's a then. Then there's an after that. Okay? And then there's another one. Okay, and then finally, okay, make sure you pay close attention, okay, and think of those big words that we talked about in our science experiment, okay? You have evaporation, you have condensation, you have precipitation, you have collection, right? Collection. Okay, so those are 4 key things you must include in your sequencing, okay? That's it.